really interesting collection of approximately 100 19th century and early 20th century images which all depict dogs in them. If you look closely, some of them are obvious, but here there's a dog. These are a combination of die cuts from probably the 1880s and 90s, as well as a mixture of poster stamps from Europe from around 1900 up through the 20s and even into the 1930s. But these, for instance, those little die cuts are probably like this, are probably 1880s or 90s. They're chromolithographed. There's a little dog there, dog heads. Yeah. If you wanted to assemble this lot, it would take a fair bit of hunting and gathering up of all these one at a time or in small groups. But here the collection has been formed for you. And so, in one fell swoop, you can add all of these dog images to your dog collection. I think we currently have a similar lot related to cats, and yeah, these are interesting. Yep. Kind of fun. All the variety of dog breeds. My heart for thine. Ha! That's ridiculous. That's so funny. Okay. Oh, that's nice. That's an embossed stamp, actually. That's Dutch for football shoes, for soccer shoes, actually. Ha! Dog wearing glasses. Giving the dog a bath, all little puppies. Chocolate, poster stamps. Oh, that's interesting. Oh, there's the dog right down there at the lamppost. This batch is currently available online from me, Brian DeMambro.